Grade 12s, we are looking at a solid geometry activity, and we are looking at the instructions here on your top right hand corner, where the first bulleted point states that the front view and the top view of a right square pyramid that rests against a right regular pentagonal prism. Here we have the right square pyramid, which is this solid over here, and that's tilted on a single point like that. You will see it there. This is in 3D shape that we are looking at. And then you will find that it leans or rests against a right regular pentagonal prism. And here you have a prism, a top base and a bottom base. And there you have that. And you will see it's situated like this, where you have a flat side here, which is the flat side there, and a corner at the bottom. And then this will rest like that there in the top view. And then in the front view, it will look like that there. Okay, that is how you're basically going to see that unfolding. And it says further in the second bulleted point, an auxiliary view of the right square pyramid. That's the pyramid, that is the auxiliary view that shows you what that shape looks like from the top. That is the apex, and these are the sides here. And then you will have the cutting plane RR that cuts through both solids, both the square pyramid as well as the right regular pentagonal prism. So if you analyze it further, you will find that the pyramid is tilted on a 60-degree angle. And if you take your set square, you will find that that is the angle that it's being tilted on. And then the angle of the RR cutting plane is situated on a 30 degrees, which you will see there indicated on your drawing in your front view. Then the instructions would be, draw to a scale 1:1, all the dimensions as is, the following views of both solids. 2.1, you need to draw the given front view, which is that view over there, which you are going to draw dark, because it contains the cutting plane. 2.2, a sectional top view with the parts above the cutting plane are removed. So parts above, which is those parts here, which will be removed. And 2.3, a sectional right view on your left hand side, which is going to be this side over here, with the parts below cutting plane are removed. So this part here will be removed if you view it from this side, which you're going to draw on your left hand side, but it is your right view or your sectional right view. 2.4, the true shape of the cut surfaces of both solids. So that cut surface that you will see there, that cut surface that you will see there, which will be developed here and there, and in your right view on your left hand side, must be shown as a true shape. Then very importantly, planning is essential in terms of where you are going to start to allow for space on your left for your right view. And then you need to show all the hidden detail. Those are the dash lines. And you need to show all the construction as to how the different views will develop, including your true shape. So during your planning stage, you need to ensure that you start firstly with this shape here, which is your pentagonal prism. So you're going to draw that. Keep in mind that the angles between this straight line here and that side there is going to be 72. And that will be measured with your protractor. So you're going to draw that first. You're going to project that up so that you have your top view over there. And then of course, you're going to create an XY line on your left hand side here with your 45 degrees so that you can construct the left view of that pentagonal prism. And then you're going to come back to your front view so that you can draw the auxiliary view faintly, and for you to be able to draw that front view of the square pyramid, and then to project it down to your top view and to project it over onto your 45-degree line so that it will feature in your right view on your left hand side. And then eventually you will bring in the cutting plane, of which you will cut firstly the pentagonal prism, and then afterwards you're going to cut through the square pyramid. You will then complete this drawing by creating a true shape of that section that cuts through the pentagonal prism as well as the square pyramid. And that will feature basically here on top of your drawing. Learners, let us explore how this solid geometry activity unfolds into the different views as required in the instruction.
Thank you.